Easy again, bringing you this CVS haul for the week of July 27 to August 2nd, 2014. To start with, I got this Colgate 1 liter size mouthwash on sale right now for $5.99, and you get a $3 ECB back. I used the $2 coupon at the New Sunday newspaper this Sunday. I used a $2 coupon for that. So and the ECB is actually $3, not $2. So this one is going to end up being 99 cents each, or 198 for both, or 199 for both. If you do have the CVS oral care like CVS coupon, $3 off for any $10 or $15 coupon, $15 purchase of oral care, that would be completely free. If you pair that up with this Oral-B battery powered toothbrushes, they're on sale right now for $5.99 each, and total for two, and there's a limit of two. There's a $5.99 each and $11.98 for both, and then you use the $2 coupon for each of them, which deducted another $4, and then you get the $3 ECB back. So it's a total of $198 for both toothbrushes, or 99 cents for each, which this one is normally actually around $7 or $8, I think, per piece. But now you can just get it for 99 cents after the coupons and after the ECB. For the Tampax and the Dawn, I was trying to get the there's a buy 20 get $5 ECB. So if you buy 4 at $4.49 for the Tampax, so it's a total of $7.96, and then you buy Dawn at 99 cents, that's a total of $20.93. I deducted for $8 for the Tampax because I have $2 for each boxes of 4. I deducted 25 cents for the for each of the 3 Dawn. That gave me a total of $12.18, and I deducted the $5 ECB back. And by the way, I forgot to put down here that I had the my total is actually $5.18 instead of $7.18, because I had a printout of a CVS coupon for pads and tampons at less than $2. So that made it a lot better. The Caress body wash, there's a buy one get one free promo right now. This is a big size, 532 ml. There's a buy, so I bought 2 at $6.29, and that gave me a total of $12.58. I used $2 for one, which gave me less $4, and then a buy one get one promo of CVS. So for the total of these is $2.29 or $1.14 for one bottle of Caress. That's a really very nice body wash. So instead of paying $6.29, I ended up getting it for $1.14 each. The Febreze is on sale right now for $2.99. You buy 4. I bought 4 for $2.99, so it's a total of $11.96. I used the buy one get one free coupon at the Sunday newspaper, so it deducted $5.98 for that, and then I used the internet printable coupon for Febreze Candle, that deducted another $2 for that. So the total for 4 of these are $3.98 for the Febreze Candle, or 99 cents each, and that's normally more than $3, I think. It's just on sale right now for $2.99, but that's usually more expensive. The St. Ives lotion is for $8.29 each. The sale right now is buy one get one 50% off. So the first one is $8.29. I bought for 2, the total of $16.58. The second one is 50% off, so it's a $4.14 for each. So that's $8.28 only. I used the buy one get one free coupon from the Sunday newspaper, and my cashier deducted $7.99 for both of those free ones. I used the internet printable coupon at coupons.com. There's a $3 off when you spend $10 St. Ives products, so that deducted another $3 for that. And I used one internet printable coupon at coupons.com. There's a coupon that says $1 each for each of these St. Ives products. So my total for everything, instead of having this for almost like what, $25 for these 4, my total became $3.88 for 4, or 97 cents each for these. So that's really a good deal. It would do better if you have all those CVS coupons from the Redbox machine, but it's been a while since the last time I went to CVS, so I haven't been getting all those printed coupons from their machine. So I started with zero extra bucks reward. I started with zero ECB because I haven't been to CVS for the past few weeks. So before coupons, it was supposed to be 135.66. After coupons and tax, it became 38.52. I paid 38.52, but I got back $15 ECB. So my total for everything is 23.52 for all of these items, and including the eggs, which is not on sale. But it's 23.52 for all of these items. I saved on my receipt. I saved 76%. I saved 97.14 for all of these because I remember I saw the at the cashier I saw it was 135.66, and then after all the coupons and after all the ECBs, I was very happy that I got back. I got a total of everything for only 23.52, and that was without the without using any extra bucks reward. Okay, so good luck with your CVS haul this week. Have a good day. Bye.